How do we use order of operations to simplify expressions? My name is Nick. I'm a math educator with over 20 years of in-class teaching experience, an IT professional, and I make math videos on this channel at First Coast Math Clinic with the goal of helping you increase your understanding and confidence in mathematics. And if you have difficulty simplifying the three examples on this screen, stick around because in this video I'm going to show you how to use the order of operations to simplify math expressions. Let's get into it. Example number one is 2 times the quantity 7 minus 4 to the second power minus 8. Before we start working on this, let's just review what our order of operations are in the steps that we're going to perform them. So first operation we're going to perform is whatever is in parentheses. Then we're going to do exponents. And then we're going to do multiplication and division. Then we're going to do addition and subtraction. All right, and if we take the little mnemonic device to remember this, if we take the first letter from each of these, you get PEMDAS, PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now, for numbers 3 and 4, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, if these occur in the same step, we're going to perform our operations from left to right. We're starting on the left side of the problem and go to the right. So let's start with our example here, and we want to start with parentheses. So what is in our parentheses? So inside our parentheses, we've got 7 minus 4. So we can start with that. Bring everything else down. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then now we've got multiplication, 2 times 3 to the second minus 8. Now we've got exponents. So we've got 3 to the second power. Three to the second power is 3 times 3, which is 9. So we'll get 2 times 9 minus 8. So now we've got multiplication, we've got subtraction. Let's do our multiplication first. 2 times 9 is 18 minus 8. 18 minus 8 is going to give us 10 as our answer for number 1. Let's move on to numbers 2 and 3. So for number 2, we've got 3 to the second power minus the quantity 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is in parentheses. So we want to do this operation first because we're subtracting the entire quantity 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Then we'll bring down the 3 squared. So we did parentheses first. Now let's do our exponents. 3 to the second power. From our previous problem, we know 3 to the second power is 9 minus 7, and 9 minus 7 is going to give us 2. Number 3, we've got 4 times the quantity, or times 5 to the second power. So we're using the parentheses here to mean multiplication. 4 times 5 to the second power divided by 10. So we've got multiplication, exponents, and division. Let's do our exponents first. So 5 to the second power. 5 to the second power is 5 times 5, which is 25. So we'll have 4 times 25 divided by 10. So now we've got multiplication and division in the same step. We've got to go from left to right now to perform our operations. So on the left side, we've got 4 times 25. 4 times 25 is 100. 100 divided by 10 is going to give us an answer of 10. All right, let's look at number 4. So we've got examples 4 and 5 here. Number 4, we've got 4 times the quantity 8 minus 6 to the third power plus 2 times 5. So let's again start inside of our parentheses. So our parentheses are right here. We've got this operation inside our parentheses, 8 minus 6. So we're going to have 4 times 2 to the third plus 2 times 5. So now we've got multiplication, exponents. So multiplication here, exponents here, addition, and multiplication. All right, what should we do next? Well, exponents comes next. So let's do this 2 to the third power. And we know 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to give us 8. So we'll get 4 times 8 plus 2 times 5. Now we've got addition and multiplication here and here. So let's do our multiplication first. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 times 5 is 10. And then 32 plus 10 is going to give us 42 as our answer for number 4. All right, last one, number 5. We've got a bunch of different parentheses, so a number of grouping symbols and exponents. So we're going to start here inside our parentheses. So we're going to start with the 3 squared minus 2, right? But if I'm starting there, so I'm just going to rewrite that, 3 squared minus 2. All right, how am I going to start with this? What do I have to start here with? Well, I've got to start with this 3 squared specifically. So 3 squared is going to give me 9 minus 2, which is 7. So I can replace everything inside the parentheses here with 7. So I can rewrite this as 5. Then in parentheses means multiplication, times 4 times 7. Okay, so again, we replaced everything here with this 7. So now we've got parentheses, so let's do our multiplication. So just different color. Let's start inside our innermost parentheses, so we can do 4 times 7. So we'll do that. 4 times 7 is 28. And now we've got 5 times 28, which is going to give us 140 as our answer. So in this video, we went over order of operation, what order of operations are, how to use order of operations, and we solved 5 examples using order of operations. Hope this video helped you guys better understand order of operations. If it did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments regarding topics you'd like to see videos on, and check out the link for the video that's coming up next on like terms. This is Nick from First Coast Math Clinic.